We literally have 2 hours to install this display on this Honda Accord before my sister comes home from work. And there's like 100 wires, so let's get into it. You guys, this display is huge. We're literally putting an iPad onto this like $200 Accord. This is gonna be great. All right guys, so honestly, I have no idea how to take this out. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some screws in the back and just lots of prying. Bear with me, I did lose my flathead regular size screwdriver, so we're using this long one. And I'm just gonna start prying it out. I'm gonna just pick a spot, player. So that's gonna be gone. And I figured out that we're supposed to pry it from here first. So we're gonna do that. Look, it comes off. Okay, cool. Don't ruin your nails. Not a good sign. But all right, so we got it off. Cool. All right, bear with me. I got another screwdriver that's this long because I can't find anything right now. But it's just 3 screws. Last one right there. If you guys drive an old Honda, you know the like frustration behind the pin lock. Like it requires a code for you to unlock your radio system once you like change the battery or reset anything. That's what's happening with this radio right here. It's been locked. I've unlocked it before, but it got locked again and I'm just so done with it. Even though it says aux right here, there's no aux input. So that's kind of why we're getting this whole new system right over here. And plus, now that this car is fully functioning, we are giving it to Tanya because she did turn in her lease, and so now she doesn't have to worry about financing or paying any more monthly payments. And plus, now that my 350, why is this so long? Now that my 350Z is fully running, it can be my daily again, so no one was driving this car anymore, so I just gave it to Tanya. Basically, you work from the top, now we're gonna work from the bottom and then take the system off. All right, let's do that. So we take this off and put this up too. But Veronica got the little tray off. We had to put it into first because we wanted it out of the way, and we have the handbrake on. And there's 2 screws right there, so just use a regular screwdriver. Take this out. Cool, that's a cigarette lighter plug. And now we have some screws I feel like we have to deal with under here, and then we can finally take this off. Veronica is my helper today. Usually when you have an older car, and I'm not saying like super old, I'm talking about like 2005 or something, touchscreen display is usually the way to go. We want to be able to listen to music, go on navigation, Apple CarPlay, all those goodies at the same time. It's just more practical when you're dailying a car. And my 350Z also has one. It's not Apple CarPlay, but I really like it. And now this comes off. Yeah. Finally. Okay. Oh, actually, I think there's gonna be a screw right under there. So, let me see. It looks like it's gonna come off. And it's off. Wow, look at all that wiring. Let's see. Ooh, we really did some damage to that. But they're still intact. We're good. Looks like we have some screws we have to take off. We have found a short screwdriver. Finally. Yes. So we're just unscrewing 2 of these screws and then we should be good to go. Finally, there's probably gonna be a bunch of wires connected to it in the back. Oh my gosh. What a rat's nest. What the heck? That is messy. Probably because of this system. Yeah, see? Yeah. It's all connected. 2 master plugs right here, and then this is just to mount it. I hate these things. So there is a bunch of goodies like GPS, and there's 2 USB cords and a lot of other things. And that, like, to run video games. I don't know. But we probably won't be using all of this. I'm just gonna include what she needs. I don't really think we need GPS as well because she's probably gonna use maps. So I'm just gonna do this. I am guessing this goes right here before. And it looks like I can run it from here. Nope, just kidding. Looks like it's just gonna be hanging out from the side. So we just connected to power. This is the blue mega cord right over here. And here is our Android starting. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now we have to, oh wow, cool. So now we have to connect everything else. I like how everything's labeled. I did get this from eBay if you guys are wondering. I don't know if you want a link for it. I'll put it down below if you guys want it. It isn't sponsored. I got it for 150 bucks. And look, straight plug and play. That looks amazing. Wow. I am so happy. And now we have a USB option. I want to make a second one available as well. Right here. And it looks like I can probably plug it in right here. Check Tanya's location right now.
Okay.
We're almost done, I promise!
So
okay.
close.
Okay. We just quickly messed up. We had to use this because we're gonna plug both of these in and then plug it to the single port. And hopefully AC works after that. Luckily, we weren't too far into putting everything back together because then the AC wasn't gonna work. So definitely make sure all of the features work before you go ahead and start screwing everything back on.
AC. Ooh, damn.
How do we know if it's like
minus?
okay,
oh, right there.
Now let's put everything back together. Finally. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, that's next.
Put it back in one.
So now we're probably gonna have to run the wires through in here. It looks like. Kind of like that. Hopefully it fits like that.
Here, now screws.
We're gonna put everything back together. We are gonna throw this away and we will get back to you guys. I kind of broke the retracting spring off this, which kind of sucks. But yeah, now we have 2 USB ports. It's really cool.
Right here.
We have a fully functioning Bluetooth. We have AC. We are gonna toss this away. We're gonna take these off.
With this. Ew.
Yeah, we gotta take this off. Let's just go put it at the table. We're gonna close the garage and then go drive to Tanya. We have made it to Tanya's haircut place. Ha! I found Google. All right, so now, oh, first of all, I gotta connect to Wi-Fi. Just remembered, you guys, we can literally watch and search whatever we want on this. This is actually so cool. I just searched up a virtual fireplace with crackling sound. Wow, let's play it. All right, guys, go in full screen mode.
Oh my god.
And here we go.
It works.
So we'll catch you guys once Tanya comes back from her haircut, and we're just gonna be sitting here real awkward. Look at your new display. If you guys want to see what it looks like just a little bit more, here it is. We have 2 options for both the driver and passenger, which is really cool. We didn't have that before. And just like that, Tanya's happy, we're happy. We have Google currently. We have Google currently pulled up, and we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a really quick plug and play, and we finished it in
an hour.
Yeah, literally less than an hour. And now we're on to the next project. I don't know what it's gonna be, but stay tuned. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and
subscribe.
And subscribe. Peace.